Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold, workbook. In our last video, we have completed page number 42, 43 and 44. Now today, we will start our work from page number 45. Okay, now today's activity is look, listen and repeat. Look at the pictures and write the correct action words from the box. Here are some action words given. First we will read these words. After that we will try to fill all these blanks. Okay, let's start. You also have to read with me. Okay, let's start. Sitting, standing, running, walking, skipping, jumping, opening, closing, throwing, catching, reading, writing, cutting, eating, drinking, pulling, pushing, kicking, dancing, singing, clapping, laughing, crying, blowing, weeping, shining, riding, climbing, swinging and watching. Now here some pictures given with blanks. So we have to fill all these blanks with help of these options, means action words. So let's start. First one, here is a girl. What she is doing? She has a skipping rope. So we can say that she is skipping. So here we write skipping as K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping. Next one, here is a boy and door. So what he is doing? Yes, he is closing a door. So here we write closing, C-L-O-S-I-N-G, closing. Okay, now next is, here is a girl. She is trying to opening this window. So here we write opening. So O-P-E-N-I-N-G, opening. Okay, next one is, here is a boy. He is with his luggage, means bag. So what he is doing? Yes, he is pulling his luggage. So here we write pulling, P-U-L-L-I-N-G. Okay, now next is, here a girl with table. She is pushing a table. So here we write pushing, P-U-S-H-I-N-G, pushing. Okay, now next is, here is a girl. Can you tell me that what she is doing? Yes, she is cutting some vegetables. So here we write cutting. So C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. Okay, now next is, yes, here is a boy. Can you tell me that what he is doing? Yes, he is clapping. So here CLA double PING, clapping. Next is, yes, here a tree and a boy. What he is doing? Yes, climbing. So here we write CLIMBING, climbing. He is climbing a tree. Next is, yes, here a girl sitting on chair, and what she is doing? Yes, she is watching a cartoon series in TV. So here we write what she is doing? Watching. So here WATCHING, watching. Okay, now next is what she is doing? Yes, she is laughing. So here we write LAUGHING, laughing. Okay, now next is, yes, here is a girl. What she is doing? Yes, she is crying. So we write crying, CRYING, crying. Okay, next picture is, yes, he is riding bicycle. So here we write riding, RIDING. Okay, now next is, here is a boy. He has a balloon. What he is doing? Yes, blowing. So here we write blowing, BLOWING, blowing. Okay, now last one is, here is a girl. Can you see say that what she is doing? Yes, swinging. So here I write swinging, SWINGING, swinging. Okay, now our next activity is look, listen and repeat. Look at the pictures and write the opposites using the words given in the box. So here some pictures given and some blanks. We have to write opposite words with help of these words. So first we will read all these words. Now you also have to read with me. Okay, let's start. Tall, long, short, old, young, new, hot, cold, clean, dirty, good, bad, big, small, fat, thin, happy, sad, black, white, hard, soft, strong and weak. Okay, now first one, here elephant. So elephant is a, yes, big animal. So here we write big, BIG, big. And squirrel, small. So here we write small, SMALL, small. Big, what is the opposite of big? Small. Big, small. Okay, now second one. Here a man, he is very fat. So here we write FAT, fat. What is the opposite of fat? Yes, thin. So here thin. This man is very thin. So fat, thin. What is the opposite of fat? Thin. Okay, now third one is here a rope. It is long. So here answer long. What is the opposite of long? Yes, short. So here we write short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Long, short. What is the opposite of long? Yeah, short. And what is the opposite of short? Long. Okay, now fourth one. Here a boy is tall. Yes, this boy is taller than that boy. So here we write tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. And this boy is short. S-H-O-R-T. So what is the opposite of tall? Short. Next is fifth one, T. So here T given. So here we write hot. And ice cream, cold. So what is the opposite of hot? Cold. And what is the opposite of cold? Hot. Next is here picture given. There is a this picture is looking clean. So here clean. And this room is looking very dirty. So we will write here dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. This clean and dirty. So here what is the opposite of clean? Dirty. And what is the opposite of dirty? Clean. Next one. Seventh one. This man is old. And here a boy is young. So what is the opposite of old? Young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Okay, now next one is here a frog picture. We can say that it is very new and beautiful. So here we write new. And here there are some stitches and some marks given. So we can say that it is very old. So here we write old. So what is the opposite of new? Old. And what is the opposite of old? New. So new and old. Now next, here a boy and a girl. A boy is smiling. So we can say that he is happy. So here we write happy. And a girl is sad. So here we write sad. S-A-D. Sad. So what is the opposite of happy? Sad. And what is the opposite of sad? Happy. Okay, now 10th one. Here a bird. What is the color of this bird? Yes, black. So here write black. And rabbit is white. W-H-I-T-E. White. Black and white. What is the opposite of black? White. And white, black. Okay, now last one. There are boys. They are going to school in row. So they are, we can say that they are good boys. So here G-O-O-D, good. And here some boys, they are pulling and pushing each other. So they are very bad. So here we write bad. B-A-D, bad. So good and bad. So what is the opposite of good? Yes, bad. And what is the opposite of bad? Good. Yes, now you all have to fill all these blanks. Thank you.